The Ford government is giving bonuses to for-profit clinics in Ontario. They are paying these clinics more than hospitals for OHIP-covered surgeries, and this was found in a report by Mike Crawley of the CBC. And please let him know that you are thankful for his journalism. Senior hospital officials are noting that the amounts that are being paid to privately owned clinics, including Don Mills Surgical Unit, is noticeably higher than what the province provides for public hospitals. Ford and his government are saying that this is a way to cut costs in healthcare, but it's actually increasing cost per surgery. And these documents show the per-surgery funding rate for certain operations. And there are 70 different surgeries where the hospitals get less funding than the private clinics. And as the chief of surgery at a large Ontario hospital says, this does not look like great value for money. And the Ministry of Health has admitted to giving a premium to for-profit clinics for taking on surgeries. And we're not talking about a little amount here. The government in some cases is giving double to triple the amount of funding to these for-profit clinics. So on a knee surgery that might cost $1,500, the for-profit clinic is making $2,500 in profit. And the documents show that they were given this funding for all of these different surgeries. But the documents don't actually clarify how many surgeries were carried out and which surgeries were carried out. And here's the kicker. The former Minister of Health now works for Don Mills Surgical. Look at how much their funding increased when Christine Elliott was the Minister of Health. Now she works for them. In Ontario, doctors do have a solution. They've been urging the government to create non-profit surgical centers. These can do the exact same thing as the for-profit clinics, except, not be for-profit and not cost the government and the taxpayers more money. Instead, the government is deciding to double down on privatization, to double down on longer wait times, and to double down on worse outcomes for you, your children, and your fellow citizens.